sudden snow squall slammed into Michigan from Marquette to Detroit, turning clear highways into whiteouts as northbound I-75 became a corridor of crashes, closures, stranded drivers, and urgent emergency response. Visibility collapsed within minutes as wind-driven snow-coated pavement, causing vehicles to lose control almost simultaneously, with multiple impacts unfolding close together, overwhelming traffic flow before drivers could react or slow safely. State troopers and transportation crews shut down lanes to stop secondary crashes, discovering numerous collision points spread along the freeway, trapping motorists between scenes while responders worked cautiously through whiteout conditions overnight. Early estimates shifted repeatedly as reports arrived, eventually describing dozens of vehicles damaged across many separate crashes, illustrating how snow squalls create chain reactions rather than a single catastrophic impact event overall. Cleanup operations stretched for hours because responders had to secure scenes, assist stranded motorists, coordinate heavy towing, and carefully treat pavement, all while preventing new crashes nearby amid harsh weather, traffic, pressure.
full-blown snowstorm. Just typical northern Michigan weather.
Transportation officials worked to reverse trapped traffic between crash sites, guiding vehicles back toward exits, a delicate process made harder by low visibility and continuously changing surface conditions for safety, control, management. Despite twisted metal and severe vehicle damage, authorities reported no confirmed injuries, emphasizing how low speeds and quick closures may have prevented fatalities during a situation that could easily have ended worse. Meteorologists explained the crashes as a textbook snow-squall scenario, where intense bursts of snow, gusty winds, and dropping temperatures instantly erase visibility and create flash icy road surfaces across busy urban highways suddenly. The same powerful storm system battered the Upper Peninsula, where lake-enhanced snowfall and fierce winds combined near Lake Superior, producing prolonged whiteouts, deep drifting, and travel conditions described as nearly impossible region-wide. In communities around Marquette, blowing snow repeatedly covered plowed roads, while gusts toppled trees, disrupted power, and reduced visibility so sharply that even short trips became dangerous undertakings for residents, drivers, responders. Officials urged people to avoid unnecessary travel, warning that whiteouts hide stalled vehicles and road edges, while drifting snow can rebuild hazards moments after plows pass through the affected corridors repeatedly statewide.
No, not today.
Experts stressed that drivers facing sudden whiteouts should slow smoothly, increase following distance, avoid hard braking, and if possible, exit traffic entirely until conditions improve, rather than risk chain reaction crashes, injuries, losses. Across Michigan, the storm highlighted how quickly winter hazards escalate, linking urban freeway pileups with remote blizzard emergencies under one aggressive weather system affecting drivers, responders, utilities, infrastructure, travel, safety, planning, statewide.